Foodi Menus is a digital menu display system that helps event sponsors highlight food and beverage vendors, bringing you more traffic and taking guest experiences to the next level. With Foodi Menus, event organizers can increase the number of people that see your menu, driving more guests to order. You'll have the ability to highlight specials and update prices in real time to increase margins. Using our detailed menu system with images of every item and more information than a traditional menu, guests know what they want faster, increasing turnover and guest satisfaction. Send your event menu information, including item names and descriptions, prices, and customizations to the event organizer. If you have images of your menu items, send those as well. If not, we will schedule time to take photos of your menu items before the event. The Foodi Menus team will build your menu in the Foodi system, create your account for the duration of the event, and provide a quick online training session. The event organizer will display your menu in key locations during the event, such as on the event website, on QR codes around the event venue, on social media, and anywhere else guests might be looking for information about food and beverage options. Leading up to the event and during the event, you'll have the ability to make live updates, add new items, and remove items in seconds from everywhere your menu is displayed.